Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. Happy Friday, the 17th of September. This is our weekly recap, and it goes out to everybody, my members, and I put it out on social media. If you want to learn more about me, link in the description below. Come on over to smartoptiontrading.com. Click on live trading alerts. It's been a long day. And we have a private Twitter, we have a Discord room, we use Zoom, and it's just $25 for the first 30 days. Come in and give us a try. So let's talk about the market this week. And the most important thing to take away from this week is that the market has changed. Let's zoom in on it. We have basically been down for 11 straight days, right? We did have this up day here, but for the most part, the trend is down. We are below the 50-day with less than 30 minutes to go, about 25. And the SPY is flashing some big warning signs. 3% pullback is 440.42. 431 is a 5%. Why am I saying the SPY is flashing warning signs? Well, we are breaking the 50-day. This is not good. We have not had action like this since October of last year, before just going into the election. So we have a change in composure in this market. And the most important thing you have to realize here as we go into next week is that we have a change in composure and we need to see where the market wants to go. Is this the end of this market? Is this market going to finally correct? Nobody knows. Could we? Yes. Could we get a 10% correction? That would be 408 area. We could. Will we? I don't know. We have the Fed next week. Next Wednesday, the Fed is going to come out and Fed's going to announce their policy moving forward. Will they announce tapering or not? A month ago, I would have said they for sure were. I'm still going to say they probably will announce tapering by the end of the year, but whether they do or don't here, I don't know. Data has been mixed, so they may not. If they taper, the market may yank. If they don't, the market might be okay. All right. So we'll see what wants to go on here. Bottom line is the market's saying we have a problem. It's worried. These dips have been bought. The Qs, a little stronger, barely below the 21-day, haven't hit the 50-day yet. The IWM, still kind of a mess. And if you look what happened this week, this week was driven by names, but a lot of chop. Apple, after that big yank last week, we have follow through. We have a new low now at the very bottom of this range. You're coming into a big spot here. If Apple can't hold here, it could be in a lot of trouble. What did we trade this week, guys? I'm trying to even think back. I didn't trade a lot this week. And honestly, I had a couple of red days in a row here, which, it is what it is. We traded NVIDIA a couple times. That gave some trades earlier this week. So did the Qs. Tesla gave a couple of trades, also took a big loss. Strong here. Something to realize that Tesla, very strong chart in a weak market, almost to the top of this range. Looks like it wants to try to go. Palantir gave trades. What a 3-day move in this thing as it's finally woken up and moving higher. Netflix, I've been sitting in weekly since last night. They're going to expire worthless. I was in the 600s thinking it would run into the Emmys. The market just didn't help. Of course, though, it's bouncing back here into the close. What else? The banks have been mostly weak, not doing much of anything. Energy has been weak. And if you really look at this market, the one thing it really lacks is leadership. And a market needs leadership. It doesn't just need names. It needs leadership, 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 leadership. And it doesn't have it in any sectors right now. You have names that are strong. Names like Affirm, nice strong move this week, holding up. UPST, nice strong move this week, holding up. But overall, not a lot here. AMD have been a leader, not so good. NVIDIA, not so great. The semis themselves trying to put a new all-time high in yesterday, back to the 21-day here. So for me, it's a risk-off environment until we get a better idea. Now, if we hold next week on Monday and we reclaim the 50-day, that would be a risk-on environment for me. The Fed's going to make it a little dicey next week. Just realize that. By the way, Jerome Powell speaks on Wednesday and on Friday. So we get a double dose of Jerome next week. So with that said, I'm going to wish you guys a wonderful weekend and I hope everybody's doing well. Come join us at smartoptiontrading.com and I'll catch everybody in the room live on Monday morning.